Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. There is a good news which is coming here from TCS. TCS Free NQT Phase 3 25th and 26th March exam admit card is finally out now and you will be able to download. Friends, morning I made a video where TCS has sent an email that you can download the admit card, but on the portal the admit card was not available. Here you can see admit card not downloading, next action and solution. Friends, now TCS also knows that there is online study for you and who wanted things to go in a proper way, proper direction. A student should not get panic, a student should not suffer. So now TCS also knows. So very soon TCS has rectified the problem, and I know many of you have already sent mail to TCS, and that is the reason now you could see if you go to this particular portal and if you have received the email, then you will be able to download the admit card. So friends, at least till your TCS exam, I wanted you to like the video and subscribe to the channel, so each and every update, every clarity, I will be able to give it to you. It's for you only. Let us put the right effort for you so that you do not suffer, you do not face any problem. And thanks a lot for your support here. So it is I will be always grateful to you. That's all I wanted to say. Now let us try to understand one by one. And if you have not received any email, still you please check out, because many of them last time did not receive the email, but their admit card was generated. One by one I will come to that point. And here one thing, friends, so I just wanted to show you something, okay, so which will give you the more clarity. So see, yesterday I made one video where the question which was asked on 20th of March, we have covered it. And here you can see, thank you so much sir for your help. Most of the questions were from the TCS NQT crash course itself. So friends, see, many of you will not realize now, after you write the exam, you do not perform well in the exam, then you will be thinking, sir, now what else I can do? Will TCS hire again? No bhaiya, TCS will hire only once, free, through free NQT, okay, off campus. After the TCS does not hire. So don't regret later. I will tell you, see, this 1,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees, see, many times you go out and you just spend like this, okay. At least we are providing you one course which will shape your future itself, okay. So you will be able to get a package of 7 LPA, you will be able to get a package of 9 LPA, you will be able to get a package of 3.3 LPA, and the course price is just 1,400 rupees 99. And TCS crash course where mock test series, you know, the recent, the question asked, each and everything we have covered. Full length mock test, 5 full length mock test series. There are 5 videos, 5 mock test series are there, and lot of content on the current topic what is been asked in the exam. Everything has been covered. The link will be in description. Anyway, I don't want to waste much of your time, so होशियार के लिए ही सारा काफी होता है. Okay, fine. Now let's go back and see what had happened in the morning and how you will be able to download the admit card. And friends, please do not forget to check your spam folder, otherwise definitely so you are going to be in problem. I don't know, there is some problem. Let me download this again. Admit hai bhai, okay. So admit card has come. So now let me arey yaar, so let me download once more, because I was not able to move it. Fine, it's okay, no problem. So here TCS has sent a mail like this, that your admit card for 25th of March and 26th of March, right? So this mail has come from TCS itself. So forwarded message, careers@mail.dgarm.com, Saturday March 22nd, today 11:06 AM. Morning students were not able to download the admit card, but now they are able to do, okay. Now next page if you'll go, so this is 26th of March and 25th of March. So this time they are having the exam in 2 phases, so most of the students will be able to write the examination, okay. So morning what was happening, when students were login, then here there will be a admit card option which was not coming. So TCS said that you can download the admit card. Here you can see so which is admit card download, but admit card was not available. Okay, after that evening what happened, see you could see there is one column which is added here, admit card, right? So after we made the video, student sent mail to TCS, so they had to correct it. Okay, so registration number, candidate name, and then you could see if you click on admit card, then admit card TCS NQT All India Batch 25th 26th of March 2025, and they have given ION Digital Zone ID 1, ID Z1, China Musi Diwada something. Okay, and timing is 2 to 5 p.m. and this is how your admit card will look like. So TCS NQT All India Batch 2025 admit card, TCS NQT All India Batch 2025. So here they have given reporting time is 12:30, gate closure timing is 1:30, and the test timing is 2 p.m. So at least you reach by 1 p.m. okay, to the center. So please download your admit card, friends. And yesterday I had uploaded one video of the question which was asked. So see, that's what you have to TCS NQT 20 of March 2025 sift all questions, cutoff analysis. TCS replied for admit card issues. So already we are doing a lot of activities for you. So please download this, and again tomorrow one video will come where we will be covering the questions which is asked in the exam. So let me know if you want that video from us, then we will definitely make it for you. Capgemini is also hiring, so that video also we have uploaded. Lot of effort is going from our side, there is no doubt at all. Download your admit card, and as I said, friends, so once you go to email, okay, so in your email, no, so this is in downloads, so please keep checking your spam folder. In the spam folder also sometimes mail is coming, even though, see here if you go, so you could see, so spam, kahan hai bhai, spam. So here you see spam. So this spam also many times you will be getting the mail from TCS. So please check it out. And this link also, so even though you get mail or not, please keep checking it. So if admit card is out for you, then you will be able to see that admit card column which I showed you. If admit card is not received, then you will not be able to see. Okay, so this one I was telling. So this admit card column, right? So admit card row which is added here, so that you will be able to see only if you have received the admit card, otherwise it will not be visible for you. Thank you, take care, all the very best. Thanks a lot for giving so much love to us, and trust me, because of this love only, because of this support only, I am continuously able to make videos for you. You guys are like God for us, there is no doubt, God for me actually.